Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to set Google as your search engine on Firefox. So I'll open the Firefox, and if you want Google as your homepage as well, I'll let you know how you can set homepage as well as the search engine. All right. So here at the top right corner you see the three lines. We need to click on that. These three lines, the parallel lines. The moment you click on that, you will find many options, and you need to go down, and here you will find settings. You can see that. So once you click on settings, you will find general, home, search, privacy and security, sync, and Mozilla Firefox. So here we will go to home, and the moment I click on home, you will find your home and new windows. So from here you can simply type google.com. That's it. You don't have to type anything else. You can add www.google.com. Once you do that, go to the search option, and here you will find default search engine. This is your default search engine address bar, and you can switch it anytime. So from here, if it's Bing or any other, you can simply select the Google. Now once it is done, you just have to close your screen, and here you can simply close it, and let's see if it's open or not. So you can see I have successfully set the home page as Google as my home page, and if I search anything like HP laptop, the Google results will come. So this is how you can set Google as your search engine in the Mozilla Firefox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully changed it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.